Hi guys, Samsung Galaxy A51 8GB RAM variant launched in India. So we will talk about the price and the specification of the phone in details. Samsung Galaxy A51 has received a new variant in India that packs 8GB of RAM and 128GB onboard storage. The new phone sits alongside the existing 6GB RAM model that was launched in the country late January with a price tag of Rs 23,999. The Galaxy A51 comes with an Infinity O display and features a quad-rear camera setup. The Galaxy A51 also has a preloaded artificial intelligence AI powered game booster that is designed to enhance the performance for the mobile gamers. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. The Samsung Galaxy A51 price is set at Rs 27,999 for the newly launched 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The phone comes in Prism color, Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush Blue and Prism Crush White color options. Moreover, it will be available for purchase in the country through an offline retail stores leading e-commerce portals. And the Samsung India e-store starting, which will be available today. The dual SIM Samsung A51 runs Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top, upgradable to UI 2.1 and features a 6.5-inch Full HD. In pixels it would be around 1080 into 2400 pixels, Infinity O display with a Super AMOLED panel and 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by an octa-core Exynos 9611 SoC coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. There is the quad-rear camera setup that houses a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f2.0 lenses and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with an f2.0 aperture, a 5-megapixel macro camera with an f2.4 aperture, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.2 lens. For selfies, the phone comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front that has an f2.2 lenses. So if we talk about in terms of storage, the Samsung Galaxy A51 has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable via micro SD card up to 512GB. So if we talk about the connectivity options on the phone include a 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, a GPS and a USB Type-C port. Lastly, the phone packs a 4500 mAh battery that supports 25-volt fast charging. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For the latest videos on tech news and gadgets, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.